welcome back to another video, guys. So today kind of excited. Today might be the day that I take the car in for paint. I was able to find a local guy through a contact, and I'm putting my trust to see if everything goes well. Obviously I'll be letting you guys know how it turns out, and pointing him to y'all directions if he does a good job. That way you guys can, if you're local and where I'm at in Florida, you guys will be able to actually have the opportunity to work with that guy as well and have a chance for him, at a good price. He's upcoming, and he's giving out a fair price. But yeah, this is pretty much how the car looks. And I got it like that. It had Bondo pretty much everywhere. It had plastic dip, and I took it out so you can see the door looks like it's kind of damaged as well, and they tried fixing it, and then they put plastic dip on, and then this passenger fender was all covered in plastic dip, and I took it off, and this is how it looked. The bumper obviously has not been painted, it was just replaced. Same with the hood, and over time, as you can see, it got a little bit rusty and deteriorated by the sun. I got, obviously it's a 92 Civic, so it has, dings, gouges, it has, you name it pretty much. Right here, looks like it got clipped. It got bent a little as well. A little quarter panel area right here. This side, obviously, it looks a little bit better, but it has, little gouges and scratches and dings. I tried painting this myself. Obviously, it looks like crap. Had to get a replacement. The other one broke, the one I bought with the car, and pretty much it. So we're gonna see how the car is gonna look before and after, and then yeah, so I'm excited. I'll keep you guys posted. Hey, as you guys saw, finished product. It came out looking amazing. I love it. I can't complain for the price. It's absolutely amazing. As you know, with any other paint job, you're gonna have flaws. You're gonna have imperfections in the paint. So it's never going to be perfect. That being said, it could have been the route that I went, because if I would have gone a more expensive route, it might have been a different outcome, which I will not know. But I can't complain. I did reach out to a lot of other companies. I got ignored pretty much, so no reply, anything. So, I said, from the quotes that I got from other companies, it was way too much for what I was looking for and what I had planned for the car. It's an older car, it's a 92 Honda Civic. I'm not trying to look for no show car or anything like that. I just wanted to look representable for me to enjoy. So I found him through a contact named Sean Gonzalez. I paid $1,500. That's what he quoted me, and it came out fantastic. I can't complain. I did notice some imperfections in the paint, since he's a mobile painter. I'm not sure. He showed me he had a booth and everything. I'm not too sure if he set it up, because I know he's painted cars outside, and he showed me. I saw a lot of his work, and I found some imperfections. I'm not going to complain for the price. Paint imperfections, like, stuff on the paint. They got, I guess when he was spraying it, they got stuck in the paint. When he was taking the overspray out the windshields, the glasses, on the glass, I can see a little bit of scratches, that form from him doing that, which it bugs me out a little bit, but it's okay. It's not something that I'm too worried about. With time, I'll resolve it or see what I can do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to be leaving pictures of the little imperfections that I saw that kind of did bother me a little bit. But it's okay. He did, but I can get it buff. So if I don't do it myself, I might find somebody around. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the transformation of my car, from when I got it to now, paint wise. I add a little bit in there, regarding when I did the swap and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.